Latest creation by Nikita. Hi, Nikita.
Hey.
Okay, so this thing looks like this. That, okay. It's a little gate.
This.
That comes off. Let me see. Okay, so hold on. Let me turn this around so we can look inside of there. Okay, that's like a little compartment in there. And it has like his
Toys.
animals or whatever if he wants to hide in there. So you can get in there from both ways?
Mm-hmm. Both ways.
So there's another part you can like straight through. Okay, you're gonna put it back together now?
I'm gonna leave it like that until tomorrow.
Okay, so
Sometimes I take them off until they get stuck, and I have to put them back together. Do that all the time. And they still have to be back apart. Like very back apart. There's like dinosaurs.
those go to cover that.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be video number 2.
There's dinosaurs, lizards, snakes,
Hiding in there?
crocodile. Also, fish.
Okay, so that's the covers. Turn them, you can open. It's okay. Okay, turn it around. There you go. There's the other side. And you'll get video number 2 tomorrow.
We say